Welcome back to my channel Living with Joy. I hope you guys doing well. And today's video is all about update about my LASIK eye surgery. I did. It's been a 1.5 years, and I want to share what are the changes, what are the side effects I have faced till now, and another good thing about it that I'm pregnant. So you will get to know what are the changes during pregnancy happen. Does it reverse the pregnancy, because pregnancy is already changing your hormones every day and it's an up and down things. So without wasting, let's get into the video. So if you have not watched my initial video when what are the changes after LASIK surgery I faced during starting of the 2 month, I have already uploaded that video. If you want to check that video, I will link down in the description box. Please check out that video. Alright, it's been a 1.5 years since I had my eye surgery, LASIK eye surgery, and you were asking me about what are the changes I have been going through, what are the challenges I'm facing, what are the biggest advantage I have, and what are the disadvantage after LASIK one can face. I want to share this that every individual is different, and doesn't mean that whatever happened with me it will happen with you. It's different to everybody. I hope this is clear to you. Also, I would like to share that this is my experience, my research based answer, and I'm not a doctor. So if you're facing any difficulty after LASIK or you want to do a LASIK surgery, please research very carefully and ask your doctor whatever the question you have and get it clear, because it is all about your eyes. So today I'm going to cover 2 or 3 questions, and I hope that will be enough for you. So does LASIK reverse during pregnancy, or what are the side effects one can face during pregnancy? And till now, 1.5 years after doing LASIK, what are the side effects I'm facing normally? Not as a pregnant lady, but it's normally. So these are my I'm going to cover. So first question, during 1.5 years, what are the side effects I have faced, and is it a critical one or it's a minor one? So as per my experience, I face a very minor. The first one is dry eyes, especially in winters. Other than I had no issues and nothing happened to me. Pretty good with my eyes. I'm super happy I did it. Second question, when I was about to do this LASIK eye surgery, I always worried that if in future if I get pregnant, does pregnancy will reverse my LASIK surgery effect? But that's not the case. In many conditions, many people face some issues, but in my case, I have not faced any issues. I had a little bit of headache because of that hormonal changes in my body, estrogen or progesterone increase. Because of this, headache and dry eyes, extreme dry eyes, and especially in winter. Before pregnancy, I used to face this dry eye issue, but during pregnancy in winter it's like a hell. And if I watch any movie more than 1 hour, then I like something happened, like I feel dry and it get irritated. So I use one drop for that, and it was recommended by my doctor, and till my lifetime I can use that. So for my dry eyes, I use this one. At the time of surgery, this was recommended by doctor, and it's a very good one. It's a 500 rupees, approximately 500 rupees bottle, small, and I put a drop every night, not in the morning. In the night I put 1 or 2 drops, and it's good to go. Pregnancy does not reverse your LASIK eye surgery effects, and you may feel some changes in your eyes, vision, and blurriness. That's another topic. You if you had a complicated pregnancy, then you may face some blurry vision and many issues related to eyes, because pregnancy itself changes whole body, and for that reason you may face this issue, but not because of the LASIK you did in the past. And the scientific reason, I was searching in the Google and based on many websites, that because of pregnancy, progesterone or estrogen increases in your body, and that changes the shape of cornea in your eyes, and that can be the main issue. So don't worry, everything will be okay after the pregnancy. So if you're facing anything related to blurry vision or something related to eye that you cannot tolerate, you must visit a doctor and tell about what is happening with you, because that's not a safe shape, and it can impact some fluctuation in your vision because of the cornea got different shape because of hormones, and that's the reason you may face dry eyes, blurry vision, and some different kind of irritating vision. So as I was saying, you may face temporary vision fluctuation, extreme dryness, because your body is already dried during pregnancy, including your eyes, and because you did a LASIK in the past, so you have to face extreme dryness. Use that drop, which is safe. I'm using it. Before using that, you must consult your doctor that I'm using this drop. Is it safe during pregnancy? Sensitive towards lights is another side effect one can face during pregnancy. It happened to many women, and if you had LASIK, this is the definitely will happen with you too, because this happened with me. So that's a common thing, but you can face. Try to be in a dim light and avoid. Another effect you can face is increase the eyesight strains, and whenever you will watch a TV or any mobile phone more than 1 hour, you may face some strain in your eyes. So make sure you avoiding TV, or avoiding continue watching TV and using your phone more than 1 hour. Take a break and start. Give your eyes a rest. The biggest advantage I had after doing LASIK is I don't have to wear those glasses 24 hours, and I don't have to depend on glasses, and I can do my eye makeup, and which is visible. Every changes happen because of hormonal changes in your body, so don't have to worry about anything, because after you give a birth, your hormones will be back to normal, so you don't have to worry about things. And I hope you have got your all answer that what are the side effects you have faced. Dry eyes, increase of risk of strain in your eyes, and blurry vision sometimes, and light sensation towards lights. These are the things I have faced in my pregnancy, and I think not everyone will go through the same. But if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you had the same experience after LASIK and during pregnancy, please share your feedback. And if you had not done any LASIK surgery, still you are pregnant and you have noticed some of the changes during pregnancy I can face, you can share that also in the comment. I would love to hear that. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.